Cleetus and Cars 2019. Man, do we have a setup going on, guys. We got the Greyhound over here, the Bullet, Solomon's car, Steven's car, and my buddy Raymond over there in the Camaro. I'm gonna show you guys here in a minute, but whoo, what a setup this year. What do you think, baby? Good setup? But yeah, we're all set up. I just gotta switch out. Got new tires here. Got some fresh rubber going on, so we're gonna switch those out here real quick. But yeah, we're set up, ready to go, man. I gotta check some of these cars out here real quick. Of course, you guys have seen the Bullet. Everyone's seen the Bullet. But we also got Solomon's car right here, the one that went against Sketchyvert in that one video from the last Cleetus and Cars. Steven has made it out. What's up, Steven? Bet you guys didn't know that Steven had a Trans Am because he never brings it by. Never brings it by. Yes, Trans Am turbocharged. There used to be a Pro Charger in there.
Used to be Pro Charger.
But we ditched a Pro Charger. Now we're going to turbo because we're all about that life, right, homie?
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. And also my buddy Raymond's Camaro, one of the cleanest freaking Camaros that I've ever seen in my life. I mean, this thing is pretty crazy, and it's got a little, oh, look at that, little Pro Charger down there. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but it is one of the cleanest freaking Camaros I've ever seen. Super clean. So we've got quite a bit of a setup going on. We also got Andy's Rat Rod coming, and Harry's supposed to come and hang out with us here somewhere pretty soon. Straighten out. Straight. Right. It's about time you two meet.
Right.
It's only been like 3 years.
Well, you said you got tired of taking pictures with your wife.
Oh yeah? That's not what he said earlier when they were all up in here taking pictures.
Well, he did see my truck pulling. He's like, oh, I gotta go see my baby boy.
Oh yeah, gotta go see what else this thing's gonna leave on the ground.
Oh, fuck you.
Don't leave shit on the ground.
Why does everybody say that to me? They always confuse me for that other car that wrecked.
Well, yeah, every time we come up here.
Every time they're like, is everything good in the car? I'm like, I've never
Bro.
been here ever, and I don't plan on to.
Well, even still, if you broke something on this, your ass would still be talking trash.
Probably.
Yeah.
Did you hand me the London one? I'm trying to put these feet locked together. I can put them on my car.
Turn it on. Turn the fan off.
Okay, so you got it wide open, right?
It died.
Top. Triangle together. Hold it with your fingers.
No, I just filled it up.
Then you grab the bottom corner. Same thing.
Dude, I put 5 gallons.
There you go. Alright, hold tension.
Good job. That was way more successful than the last time we all tried to spin my rod. Perfect.
So close.
I gotta keep my husband alive.
To 902s. But
So next time when we pack his shoe, we got it. You got
Just a
this.
little
You're
cookie.
good.
What do you think, homie? What do you think?
Oh, you know what? Of what? Of what?
Of everything.
Everything's going good.
Yeah?
The only thing that sucks is that I got informed that Richard would not be making it here. So he's a wussy after calling me out and not being here.
Why isn't he making it?
I don't know. Maybe he has weeping things to do.
Sure.
And then Juan's here, but no car.
Juan Rivera, not
Yes.
not me, Juan.
Yeah, he's here with no car.
Why no car? It's running.
Then they never want to race. It's been already a year.
What's up?
What can we do?
What's up with that, guys?
Well, just running whoever now. Doesn't matter to me.
Awesome.
So-
Get to run me today.
It's fine. But remember, after the burnout, it's on. I can leave whenever after the burnout. So
You
better
gotta
be ready.
at least line up on the tree, dude.
I'll line up close to the tree. Maybe I won't light the bulbs out, but I will line up close to the tree for you. So just get ready, all right?
Okay, man. What do you want? The hit? Back tire? What do you want?
1,000 foot. 1,000 foot.
God dang! 1,000 feet? Yeah. Dang, man.
He starts at the 8. We start at the
I'm just gonna sit there on the tram brake the whole time waiting for you to get to the 8th mile, or what? 86 at 171.
Oh my God.
171 miles per hour, fucking best mile per hour fucking ever. Of course! I'm gonna give it more power. Track
Put the same thing what it was when we did the A3. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it went, man, it felt good all the way down.
I was like, 8.6, I was like, alright. Once it on the floor, I was like, shit. Oh,
8.6, 171 turned down, dude. Turned down.
No, tire spin,
nothing. Straight all the way down, huh? 1348. We left so baby size.
Yeah. Turn it up.
Yeah, it's time to turn it up, bro. Guys, that was baby pass from last night. You should have seen how last night I was. Turned down, new tires, sticky track, and of course, couldn't do it without my 9-second tuner right here. 9-second tuner, Solomon. Engine is on point, dude. It is rolling. Show him the sticker. Show him the sticker, homie. Show him the sticker.
This is the sticker. Ooh, the only sticker on this. The only sticker
right there.
The only sticker on this car. I told you we would do it. I told you we'd do it. Where's that video from? Cleetus and cars?
I wish you would have turned up the timing on yours like I told you to.
Yeah.
I told you, make it go faster.
Yeah, no.
Less boost.
Right, you're right, dude.
Guarantee you.
You're right, dude. The most important thing is the freaking car went straight as an arrow,
It went like
dude.
this a little bit, but it still was.
Man, I drove it, went straight, felt great, and guess what we ran? Check that out. Look at how soft we're leaving. 1.464, that's how soft we're leaving, and still managed to click off an 8.6 at 171. That is ridiculous mile per hour. We're gonna turn up the boost just a little bit and the launch a little bit for this next pass we're gonna make in a little while, and this car should really haul ass after that. That's what I've been wanting. That's what I've been waiting for. Everything just worked great on it, on the car. So pass number 2 coming up. First pass went so great. Turn it up just a hair. See what it does.
Sorry, would you wait for Andy?
You won't race the rat rod. Oh, I thought you were giving me a high five.
Hey man, I'm just pulling a Juan and Richard. It's okay.
You won't race the rat rod.
Okay.
You won't race the bullet.
You see these people who want me to fucking race? Goddamn.
You've had weeks to test. This is race day.
Pedestal, like,
Today's not test day. Today's rest day.
It's test day for me.
You gotta aim high, man. Gotta aim high.
Then you race them.
Hey, I'll race
You
you.
gotta aim high.
There you go.
Yes,
There you go.
yes,
Let's go. I'll race you.
yes.
You gotta give him the hit.
Give me the hit.
I'll give you the hit. What do you want? The hit and the back tire?
That's probably
Hey, after you're done with him.
You got like 30 mile an hour on it.
There you go, Juan.
Damn it! Why are you telling everybody?
Hey, why don't race you?
Alright, I guess I'm running to that day. I feel like the remedy. I feel like you purposely waited for me to come to the lid.
No, I was actually waiting for the sun to go down. Kind of hot, man.
Yeah, I know, for
I was
real.
sweating. After the
run, if you stop by our
Yeah, I was about to go cruise over there.
do a video right after. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hit that scramble.
It's all in fun.
Okay, so I was gonna wait till a little bit later, but he ended up being in the lanes with me anyway, so might as well. I mean, it's a friendly thing, it's a friendly run. His car's a lot faster. It should run a lot faster than my car, but I will not back down from a race, so we're gonna hit it against him. Should be a good race.
all-time fast is 820s, right?
Yeah, that's fastest fast ever. 175.
You're basically like.
He ran an 8. He ran an 10.
Yeah.
He ran an 8.
Hey, that pass was so fucking tight. I had no idea.
I went red by 110.
Yeah, God. Man, I gotta do math. I don't know if you would have had
I
that.
had
169?
At 164, I added some boost, and I don't think it was happy. It was kind of popping. Man,
Yeah.
you got me. I could hear it. I shifted to third, and I was like, I can hear it.
Oh, I hit the scramble in
I could
second,
hear
bro.
him. I could hear him, and it was like,
You can hear it. You can hear the whole way. I was like, he rolled that thing all the way.
Awesome pass, dude. Awesome pass. The Remedy, right? That's your Instagram name
Yeah,
right
The Remedy,
here?
yeah.
The Remedy, guys, go follow him. That badass freaking car.
I don't think
$20.
boost is slowed down. It only 60 to 132.
Yeah, same thing here. 137.
I went 123.
Yeah. My car actually picked up the wheels a little bit, but it rode it out.
Yeah.
And then, man, God, that was
there,
such
and that tree was dropping. I was like, come on, I can't wait any longer.
Yeah, the prep.
Well, I didn't know, man. I was sitting there so long. I was curving and sweating, man. We sat there.
Tell us the setup, man. Tell us the setup on the car. What do you got? Oh, but what size tire are you running, first of all? The 315 Pro, huh?
Yeah. I like the look. They really don't need it. But,
Oh, I got to show everyone the plate first before I see that. Just so everybody knows, not a LS. Badass,
dude.
dude.
I have time. I want to make another run because it's a killer, man.
5.0, right?
Yeah, it's a 5-liter. It's a sleeve block with some K1 rods and Ross pistons, but literally the heads, cams, chains, all that, it's all stock.
Yeah. How big of a turbo?
8596.
80.
From Jose.
Dude. Yeah, same thing.
It's
Jose's the man.
TH400. Your TH400 too, huh?
Yeah, 3-speed.
For that, it's probably,
Are you on meth or
it's air to water.
air to water? Okay.
It's
How's
it's
it-
got a small core in the bottom of it. It's a G1 Pro.
Oh, okay,
They made
okay.
it for a Mustang, so you wouldn't have to run a caliper.
I see. It's fucking fast. I mean, you and I probably taking the ground today.
Oh
you know?
yeah, no, that was pretty much.
That was probably the fastest.
yeah,
that was probably the
too
fastest
fast.
clock they've seen today. So.
It is. I was mad. Red lid.
Yeah.
Ah.
Happens to the best of us, dude.
yeah.
Happens to the best of us.
Throw that ocean.
Dude, I'm telling you, like, at
And
the
then I
finish
don't know,
line,
you notice I bumped in?
somewhere
I bumped
here
in.
is where I was. You know, it was super tight.
I didn't know.
Super
it was
tight.
Like right when we crossed, it was like nose and nose. And I was
Yeah.
like, you got that long beak sticking out. It's nerve-wracking.
I need to put one of those
Yeah.
cheater on it.
It's nerve-wracking.
They don't have
Dude.
it. It's margin.
Yeah,
Get on
I had to blip the throttle a little bit right when I got to his door because it just shimmied a little bit, but then I got back in and I was able to.
I couldn't sit there.
So it was. I definitely hit it. Right as soon as it hit second gear, I was like, tink. He got the scramble on that pass. For sure. I had to
grab the button. I don't have any more buttons, so I'm like, whatever.
That's definitely the best race in the crowd scene.
Oh yeah, I'm glad.
Hey guys, I just want to explain something real quick. This is Brian, aka Mr. Mexico Racing League, aka The Flash WS6. I've been chasing this dude's time slips for so long.
Did you get your GoPro?
It means everything to me to be as fast or faster than him. And today was that day.
Yes! You gotta hand the candle over now, you know?
Why? Alright, I'll get it running next week.
I've been trying to catch this guy forever, dude. Forever.
Okay.
Finally.
Okay, so you're faster than my
I can't wait to go home and take that plate and put it right above here.
I'll make me put it back together. It's all dusty right now.
Oh, man.
What about the Mustang?
Don't hug me, your wife right now. She has suspicions.
I do.
She don't know. She don't know.
The chase car.
Big shout out to my 9-second tuna over here, killing it on the tune. That American Speed Shop's motor is working.
And hey,
It is hot as
imagine
hell.
when it actually gets better.
Yeah, I can't wait, dude.
Some people have to wait till old as shit.
Man, I can't wait, dude. Oh, everybody, Zach. I'm gonna have to like dig through the archives to see if I have any footage of your love truck. To see.
Come on, we don't talk about that.
That's a thing of the past. But yeah, oh, my big shout out to my wife for videotaping today, hanging out with us. Why? You look glowing today. You're glowing. All right, we're out of here. There's really only one thing left to do.